If you use VMware with Open-E JovianDSS, then we've got some great news for you. Open-E JovianDSS Up32 introduced VAAI support for the NFS protocol. Thanks to that, you can make your system management easier and more efficient. Interested? Let's take a look at how to set it up.
In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable VMware vSphere Storage APIs, array integrations or VAAI for use with Open-E JovianDSS. VAAI offloads specific storage operations, like cloning and snapshot creation, from ESXi host to the storage array. This improves performance by reducing load on the host and accelerating overall storage tasks. In the Open-E JovianDSS web GUI, navigate to Storage Settings in the left-hand menu. Under the NFS section, check the option labeled Enable NFS VAAI Support. Click Apply to confirm your changes. Follow the instructions provided in the knowledge base article linked in the video description to download the plugin file. Once downloaded, upload the VIB file to your ESXi host. SSH into your ESXi host and run the following command. To confirm that the plugin was installed correctly, run the following command. For instructions on removing or updating the plugin, refer to the same knowledge base article mentioned earlier.
This new feature is yet another step towards making your virtualization more efficient and easy to manage. If you'd like to learn more about Open-E JovianDSS Up32, feel free to read our article. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest ideas, tips and news on data storage.